1950 Ford Club Coupe, a classic with timeless style. Now available for sale in Sweden, this beautifully preserved 1950 Ford Club Coupe in elegant maroon with a gray interior. A true piece of American automotive history, this Ford was originally purchased in Missouri for our client in Sweden back in 2015. Now it's ready for a new home, and we are offering it for sale internationally with global shipping available. Under the hood, you'll find the legendary 239 cubic inch Flathead V8, upgraded with Offenhauser heads and dual Stromberg 97 carburetors on an Offenhauser intake. It runs smoothly without unwanted noises, leaks, or smoke. The 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive shifts as it should, and the original rear axle remains in great condition. Structurally, this car is impressive. The body and undercarriage are in excellent condition, free from rust repairs or excessive filler. The doors, hood, and trunk lid align well, maintaining the factory fit and finish. Originally repainted around 1990, the maroon exterior still presents beautifully, with only minor stone chips and light scratches, but no runs, bubbles, or cracks. The chrome and trim are in overall good condition, showing only minor signs of wear. Inside, the interior has been mostly redone and is in near-new condition, with just a small tear in the headliner. The dashboard retains its original look, with functional gauges and an original radio that is present but not working. Other than that, the electrical system is in good shape, with wiring that remains close to factory specifications. On the road, this Ford delivers a solid and enjoyable driving experience. It handles well with a smooth ride, good suspension, and new kingpins. The original drum brakes function properly, bringing the car to a stop without pulling to the side. Modern wheels and radial tires have been fitted, offering both safety and a better driving feel. Additional highlights include verified VIN and proper Swedish paperwork, regularly driven and well-maintained, passed Swedish safety inspection and exempt from future tests, new door and trunk seals, spare tire, jack, trunk mat, and trim included, as well as a set of fender skirts. This is a well-preserved classic, retaining most of its originality while benefiting from tasteful upgrades. If you're looking for a solid, roadworthy 1950 Ford Club Coupe, this is a fantastic opportunity. Contact us today for more details. We assist in making a secure transaction and can arrange worldwide shipping.